Hi, I'm Craig, and welcome back to another on-the-road video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at this Samsung electric freestanding range. We will show you how to remove and replace the door latch micro switch. To begin this repair, we must first access the back of the unit. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. The tools you will need for this repair are a number 2 Phillips screwdriver and a voltmeter. Now that we are at the back of the unit, we'll remove the back panel. We'll go around the perimeter, remove all the Phillips screws that hold it on. Now that the screws are removed, to take off the back panel, be very careful because the edges are extremely sharp. You'll have to pull out on the bottom, lift up, and slide it out, then set it aside. With our back panel removed, we now have clear access to our door lock assembly. Reasons why you'd be replacing this is if maybe you're trying to enter self-clean, and it'll keep saying that the door is open. You'll hear a grinding noise or something when it is trying to lock the door, or it could be having a burning smell or shorting something out. All of these are common symptoms for this mechanism to be bad. The first thing you want to do is test out our micro switch. Right now, the door is open, so we remove the Molex. We'll set our meter to ohms, but I'm going to set it to an audible tone, so if it is good, you should hear showing that. Let's go ahead and put it on here. We do have an audible tone. It does have resistance in it. So if the door latch is actually closed, this should have no audible tone, nothing. It'd just basically be an open circuit. Now, let's show you how to replace it. To remove the micro switch, first take off the 2 screws that are holding on your door latch mechanism. This will give us room to wiggle it around if we need to. Next, you'll have 2 small Phillips screws on the top of the micro switch. Press down on your assembly and remove. Pull it off and set aside. To install your new micro switch, insert the first screw, line it up on the bracket, and fasten it down. Make sure it's a little loose so that you can move the micro switch to the correct position to install your second screw. Feed this one in by hand to start so that you get it positioned correctly. Push down on your mechanism and tighten it. Next, replace the 2 screws that are holding on your door latch mechanism. Reconnect your Molex. Now we can reinstall our back panel. To install your back panel, first you need to guide the sides into the slotted area. Let it drop down freely. Next, go around the perimeter and replace your Phillips screws that hold it on. And this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.